9:15 this morning, Hurricane Gilbert was located near latitude 17 degrees north, longitude 75 degrees west, or about 60 miles southeast of Murren Point. Gilbert is traveling at 45 miles an hour in a southwesterly direction. Maximum winds 120 miles per hour. This hurricane, if it continues on its present course, will hit Jamaica.
But this one has Jamaica imprinted all over it. What the whole piece now? Them say that you must put all of your important documents and papers into a plastic bag. Because, you know, visa application form, passport, telephone number, page paper. No. Where can I dispose of it so that water will not endanger it? No, food. Crackers, bread, bully beef, tin teas, sardine, more bully beef, hammer, meal, board, yes, battery radio, flashlight, candle, matches, medical supplies. Yes, boy, I am now ready to confront the worst. Boy, but it look overcast. Why on earth the Johnsons decide to go and take them vacation at a time like this? Who's that knocking on the door?
Opportunity!
Titus?
Merkel, open the door!
Hold on. How could you be out of your mind to desert a yard at a time like this?
Merkel, open the door! Opportunity knocking for the last time! Merkel, drop everything. I'm taking you out.
I don't have no time for that now. I'm busy embracing myself for Gilbert.
Merkel, then today know your day off?
Yes, Titus, today used to was be my day off, but the Johnsons them is over on vacation now, so I have to be extending my services to compensate.
Chop, Merkel, man, chop.
So hold on. How come you're so overindulgent in your dressing for me?
Who is Gilbert?
Titus, you take the necessary repercussions. You batten down your window and you door them, and like how you so slender, you better tie some course.
Stop talk choppiness. Me I carry go eat fish and festival out of Hellshire. Hey, from last week, Saturday, me I save, you know. See? Me have nearly $40.
Titus, I don't have time for your carelessness now. I am embracing myself for Gilbert.
Merkel, you feeling alright? Me tell you say me I carry go eat fish and festival out of Hellshire. I think me know you no refuse. You tell me say you have date with Gilbert. Gilbert? Who is Gilbert, brother?
Gilbert, the overweight hurricane that is heading directly straight for Jamaica. What? You don't put a little radio in the shack at all?
Oh! You mean the little breeze will blow from foreign? Hey, Merkel, you know say me used to foreign breeze, eh? Tornado and them sort of things down in Mississippi and Okeechobee.
Hello. There's only one time you did go and forgot pick apples, so you start going as if you was residing there. I know you wasn't bright enough, Titus, but I did not know the extent of your dunceness. You could have make a date for today, have all days. Regardless of my endearment to Fish and Festival, I will have to recline.
Merkel, Today is the perfect day to get sentimental. I mean, go outside nice and bleak.
There is a dangerous hurricane handy way.
So it's like a hurricane you're afraid of? I saw town people afraid.
I wake up this morning with a massive bout of diarrhea. Me no shame, me afraid.
So what is a little hurricane?
One leap of breeze and rain coming at a tremendous pace.
So no bother batting up the house then. Bill a ark and done.
Yo, come. Get up. You're not going to come and impose yourself into the people them house and come and take no liberty with me.
Yes, no. Me have 2 fowl you can borrow. But you're going to need 2 dog, 2 puss, 2 goat, 2 cow, 2 donkey.
Look, I have no toleration for your ignorance right now.
Merkel, rainfall 3 days last week. Breeze blow every day. You hear about nobody white kill?
Go on, go to Hellshire and get sentimental. I will stay right here so I finish my half.
Then Merkel, who we going to get sentimental with if you're not coming?
There are goats out there.
So Merkel, man, you can't do this to me, you know. Me just spent $2.50 by one buckle of Essen. So, it means intimate. Not intimate, you know. Intimate.
Well, I'm sure that the goat them will find it very arousing.
Merkel, after me promise to send me outside to eat fish and bammy, and now that we can afford it, you come
No,
to me.
you can probably meet a nice, attractive chick up there.
Merkel, you know, me not like talk up to stranger, you know.
Hey, why?
Me just not like open my mouth in front of stranger.
But Titus, the whole world knows that you don't have no front teeth.
That is not the reason.
Then why?
Forget it. You coming or you're not coming?
Titus, I look for you from morning. Should I know say you over here reaching up behind this
These
little...
chances are not present at the moment. And I do not think it is right to accommodate any little dirty bungle inside here.
So what you do ask me for?
So Sleepy, could you please to depart?
Titus, I have a date with 2 fine girls. You know, Echo and Jekyll from Harborview.
Fine is a very ample description. Yes, fine, like tread.
But don't show them some boy I have a blind date. So what? Yeah, ropey.
Oh, you mean no mouse? Where we are carry them go?
Hellshire, go eat fish and festival.
Me in a dot. See you later, Merkel.
For your sake, I hope so.
You have money?
No.
None at all.
But $5. Over $5.
Me have 10.
My, what big spenders. When you don't buy off all of the fishing festivals, you see, and the others.
So what you doing, Merkel?
Preparing. Give it to me. I don't have no time for no ignorance.